guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the AIME LEON DORE New Balance 550s. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. And let's go. So today we've got a look at the newest drop of the AIME LEON DORE New Balance collaboration. We've got the BB 550, the basketball 550s in the UK size 7.5, it's European 41.5, and CS size 8. And this is the taupe colorway. Now, I'm a big fan. I know loads of people have kind of dropped their thoughts on the 550, like it's the new dunk, everyone's just buying the 550 now. You see it here, there, and everywhere. And this, to an extent, is true, is probably the most worn trainer at the minute, sneaker, whatever you have for you. Wear whatever you want, guys. Like, if it makes you happy, that's what's more important. And what I want to really say is that I wish I was able to get a pair of like the first drops of the ALD 550s. For those that don't know, ALD, AIME LEON DORE, is a streetwear company founded by Teddy Santis, and he founded ALD. And you can see it's in his name, so AIME LEON DORE. Is love in French, Leon is his dad's name, and Dore is Theodore, short from his name, Teddy, so Theodore. So you got the name ALD, and yeah, it's fast becoming one of those brands that everyone wants. Like when I think of that lookbook that they got going on, it's dope. I'd love to get some pieces from this season, SS23. As you can see, I'm sporting the hat. But yeah, I really wanted the first drops of the 550s, those first collaborations, like that white and green, my lords, that was so beautiful. But we do have a pair, and it's boxed beautifully decorated. You can see the ALD signage there, right there, New Balance logo. And I love this retro feel box. It's got the silhouette of the shoe, right? It's a nice colour. And so we've got the latest release. So there was the taupe and the chocolate. We've got the taupe one right here for you guys. It's different. It's not all leather, it's like hairy suede, and we'll show you right now. Oh, that's great packaging as well. You've got the New Balance, the AIME LEON DORE logo also. Here it is. Pretty clean. I prefer the taupe rather than chocolate. So I love chocolate myself. And what I wanted to say is that I got this from the ALD website, so you had to enter the raffle. And for all these times, even on sneakers, I have not won for the longest time. And just to win here is quite great as a sneaker enthusiast myself. And yeah, so we'll have a look at that. Here we go. We'll look into the details right now for you guys. And we'll start with the outsole. So it's all a rubber outsole. You see all that tractioning. Obviously, the 550, the New Balance 550, or BB 550, is a basketball shoe. I can't remember for the life of me the athlete who wore these during his tenure in the NBA. Totally forgot. But we have done reviews on the 550 before, so if you got a second, check that out. And here, yeah, essentially, you got a non-marking sole. Traction patterning all around as well, and you got the New Balance logo right there on the heel. Midsole unit, so this midsole unit is essentially a polyurethane unit right there. You can kind of see the inside when you look at the medial side, but to cover it up, it's essentially a rubber cupsole as well. And the uppers, you got all that hairy suede goodness. So all around in this very light taupe colorway. I mean, very good earthy tones is what everyone's wearing this season. All around, natural colors. Hairy suede is all around. You can see the mesh underneath like the toe box right there. Flat laces, so you've got your choice between the white laces that is already tied on and these cream and taupe laces right here. So you've got these 3 sets of laces even I love the tongue. So obviously with AIME LEON DORE being a New York brand, the big apple, here you've got like an apple, and then, well, it's essentially basketballs right there that's just been bounced all around, New Balance logo. So all the ALD collabs have this logo on it, right there. And if you look at the insole, so this is a ultralight midsole, and you've got the AIME LEON DORE logo in there with the apple. It's beautifully done. Nice cushioning on the ankle support. And the heel is, I love this little bit of detailing. So the heel, like the rest of the sneaker, is hairy suede. And on the right side, you've got the New Balance logo. And on the left, you've got the AIME LEON DORE basketball logo right there. Forgetting to show you guys the lateral side and medial side. So here, again, hairy suede with that New Balance logo, the M right there for you. Same business on the medial side. And just to show them the lateral side again, you got the 550 logo there also. Really excited to try these on. I know, as I mentioned before, like kind of the hype of surrounding the 550s kind of died down, but you still see loads of people wear it. I mean, in the streets of London, where we're from, and we see plenty of it. Jeff and myself, we've got bears, you know, 550. Oh, obviously, we've got bears with 550s. We like it, and yeah, really excited to try these on. Again, big fan of AIME LEON DORE. Teddy, if you're watching, and we know that you are, follow your boys some good stuff. Follow them some New Balances coming your way. Anyway, all that said, let's review that footage of me trying these on. When it comes to fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size New Balance fit. I'm a UK size 7.5 for most New Balances, and it's fit perfectly. My toes are where they need to be. I think they just look great on. You know, even though everyone's used to the little hits on that leather, even though I'm a big fan of hairy suede, especially like on vintage styles. And yeah, this is a great hit, great colorway, great collab. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with the Z at the end. Follow us on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.